Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do your circle project on Desmos. I'm going to send you a bunch of links for options that have photos already uploaded to Desmos, and that will be in a little photo file that you just need to leave be, and then you come down and you start your equation underneath it. If you want to upload your own circle pictures, by all means, or if you have a picture that's got circles in it, then go ahead and use it. But when you get into Desmos, here's what's important. You need to sign in. So up here in the corner where it says sign in, once you go to the link, click sign in and sign in with Google. When you do that, it should pop your name up here, and that means that you can save your graphs. Okay, so you can see here that I can click and save my graph, come back to it later, and finish it. Over here in the corner, it will give you all of the saved graphs that you have. So you can see I have a few there. All right, so make sure you click sign in. Now, how do you make the circles? Using our circle formulas that we've been looking at, we know that this x minus 2 shifts it to the right 2, and that minus 0 doesn't move it up and down at all. If we look at our blue circle, our goal is to outline at least 4 circles in your picture. So this blue one looks like it has a center at 2 and does not shift up and down. So 2, 0. That's why this is a minus 2 and a minus 0. Now, I don't have to have the minus 0, but that's your basic equation. Now, the 1.5 squared, that is your radius. So if you look at this and how this is numbered, this is up 1.5. Okay, you can see that point there. So I put 1.5 squared, right? That would be for that circle. Let's try one more. If we do this yellow one here, I would look at this and say that our center needs to shift over here to -4. So that would be a +4. Okay? And then we need to square that. Okay? And then, see, this is a problem, but we've got to curve it in the y direction now. So plus, parentheses, y. Now, what's our y movement? Well, our center is at 0. So I could put this minus 0 again, or I don't need to put it at all. I could just put y squared. Right? And then equals, I got to figure what is the radius. This is 1. I could put 1 squared. And that's just not quite big enough. So I can play around and maybe make it 0.2 squared. Maybe I'll go a little bit bigger, make that 0.3 squared. I kind of like that. That would be good enough there. And that's what you want to do. Play around with these numbers that go in your equation based on where the center is and what the radius is to outline at least 4 circles in your picture. All right. To get the squared, you can use the caret, which is above the 6 button. That makes it into an exponent. And then just like your calculator, you have to push to the right to bring that back down. Or down here, where you can't see on my screen, there is a keyboard button that you can pop up, and it gives you all of your features for typing things in. All right, when you're done, this is the important part. Up here in the corner, it says Share Graph. You need to click on Share Graph and copy that link. Automatically, it copies that link, go into Google Classroom, and put this into your assignment, copy this link into your assignment, and then turn it in. So that way I can see your equations. Okay? Like I said, I'll have a couple choices for you to pick from. And if you want to, you can drag a photo or upload a photo into this area, and it will put it into your picture. All right, I hope you have a little fun with this.